I posted this picture of my legs, and whew, you can see I've been through some battles in life. I got a bunch of scars and stuff everywhere. Hold on, I got a whole list of it. 5 total knee surgeries, medial and lateral meniscus tears, torn ACL, sprained PCL and MCL, chondromalacia behind my patella, a fractured tibia, sprained ATFL, PTFL, and CFL. I got a response to it from my homegirl, Molly, who is from Montana. We used to work together in Oregon. And she says, bring back the jumping the fence and Montana pics. Okay. This is Molly, by the way. She's pretty dope. I don't always say that to her, though, because I can't be letting her get a big head about how cool she is. I was in Montana. I was with my brother, Tariq, and my mother, Ma Dukes. And my brother and my mom, they were moving from Florida to Oregon, right? So we drove cross country. I went out there, and we drove the whole Penske moving truck, whole house, all the way across the country. And this is how we got to Montana. And I'm going to tag my brother in this video, so you can go check out his page and see what he's up to, because my brother's pretty cool. We're driving, and we see, we stopped to pull over something, and we see there's a barbed wire fence, right? So my brother, man, he gassed me up. He was like, yo, bro, I don't think you can jump over that barbed wire fence. And I was like, nah, I could definitely jump over that barbed wire fence. Yo, I could not jump over that barbed wire fence. What was I thinking? So then to make matters worse, which is why we have pictures of this, my mom, she was over there in the truck and she had a camera. And so I was like, Ma, Tariq said I can't jump over the fence. I can jump over the fence. And she was like, yeah, baby, you can jump over the fence. She hyped me up too. Like, okay, if you can do it, let's take pictures, right? So she had the camera. So I was like, all right. So look, this is my practice jump. Look at that. I can jump over the fence. I know I can. I said, get the camera ready, Ma. I'm going for it. I'm about to... yeah, and I go to jump. What had happened is that, see, I had jumped too close to the fence. So you can see right there, the front of my shoe, the toe, got caught in the fence. So now it was all bad. I'm done for. This being in front of my little brother and our mom, it was pretty embarrassing, I gotta say. I mean, just look at that. Boom! I didn't make it over the fence at all. I made it into the fence. I can't lie, people. It hurt. It hurt like a mug. Oh my God. Look at that. That just looks terrible. Look at that. Look, you can even see the yellow part of the truck from my mom. She inside the truck taking the pictures. But anyway, I'm just hanging around, you know, hanging around. Just imagine if you were driving down the highway at this point, you would have seen me hanging off a barbed wire fence. The barb stuck into my leg and everything. Everybody would have been, honey, is that a man stuck in the barbed wire fence? Yes, I was stuck. And if nobody would have been there to help me, I would not have been able to get out. And my brother came over to help me. He ran over to help me. Why? Look, he laughing though. Look at that. That was a smile on his face. He think it's funny. I don't think it's funny. I'm messed up. I need help now, not for you to be laughing at me. He over there talking about, are you all right? No, I'm not all right. Does it look like I'm all right? Like, I mean, what? And you know what he said to me? He was like, yo, are you gonna cry? Oh my goodness. I was like, no, I'm not gonna cry. I am an adult. I do not cry from physical pain. I cry from emotional pain. Anyway, look at that. Look at the damage done there and all of that. Oh my goodness. It was like 11 inches. I don't even know what that is in centimeters. It's like 28, 25, 29, something. It's a lot and it hurt. If you ever hear a black person say they got cut so far, they got cut to the white meat. This is what it means. Look at that. You get cut up under that brown. Look at that. That's white meat. And when that happens, whew, y'all got goosebumps right now. And that's how it looked afterwards. I mean, this was a little while afterwards. On second thought, like looking back, I probably should have went to the hospital for that and maybe got it stitched up or something, but oof. I don't know. I mean, I just put some dirt on it. I'd be fine. You know, we don't got such great health care in America, so, you know, you just kind of got to deal with stuff. And this was 7 weeks later. That's almost 2 months later. Look at that. That one up there. Wait, let me see. That right there, that's so deep. Oh my goodness. That's what she said. And now this is how my legs look currently, today, years afterwards. Look, I got a video about the time that I broke my leg. If y'all want to see that, hear my commentary on that, let me know. But, whew, there you go, Molly. All right, this is the last time I'm posting these Montana pics because